Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi network password on your Amazon Fire TV. Let's get started. First turn on your TV and make sure your Fire TV is on the home screen. Now grab your Fire TV remote. From the home screen, scroll down to the top and select settings. Now select network. Here you will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. If your Fire TV is connected to the old network, highlight that network and press the menu button on your remote. Now select forget this network. This remove the old password. Select the Wi-Fi network name again from the list. When the password screen appears, use the on-screen keyboard to type your new Wi-Fi password. Take your time and make sure the password is correct. Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive, so capital letters and numbers matter. Once finished, select connect. Wait a few seconds. When you see connected, your Fire TV is now online with the new password. And that's it. That's how you change the network password on Amazon Fire TV. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.